Welcome! If you've ever missed someone joining your Discord server because you didn't hear a sound, you're not alone. Today, I'll show you how to enable notification sounds for user joins on Discord Web right from your PC using the latest update. This quick guide will make sure you never miss a moment when someone hops into your server. Let's get started. First, open up your favorite web browser and head over to the Discord website. Log into your account if you haven't already. Once you're in, take a look at the bottom left corner of your Discord window. You'll see your profile picture and username, and right next to them is a small gear icon. Go ahead and click on that gear icon to open up your user settings. Inside User Settings, you'll see a menu on the left side. Scroll down until you find the section labeled Notifications. Click on it to access all your notification preferences. This is where you can fine-tune how Discord alerts you about different events. Now, look for the Sounds section within the Notifications page. Here, Discord lists all the different sounds it can play for various activities. Find the option labeled User Join. This is the setting that controls whether you hear a sound whenever someone joins your voice channel. To enable the sound, simply toggle the switch next to User Join. When it's turned on, you'll get a notification sound every time someone joins a voice channel you're in. It's that easy. You can also explore other sound options here if you want to customize your Discord experience even further. And that's all there is to it. With just a few clicks, you'll always know when someone new joins your conversation. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to share it with your friends or leave a comment below with any questions or tips of your own. Thanks for watching and happy chatting!